What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to do a brand versus. Now with this brand versus, I know it may not be as popular as the other brand versus because I don't think that this is a popular brand, but it is a brand at Lowe's. So if you are at Lowe's and you see this, you will obviously see how it works. I want to put them together just so you can know what brand that you be like, oh, I think I might go for that brand, or I think I a little bit thinking about getting this brand. So here we are. We have the Earth Alley over here. It's a new brand, so I don't remember the name. This is the Spectracide over here. Now you know we had the Spectracide on the weed battle or brand versus last year. I think we did one this year with the Spectracide. Did we do it with the Spectracide? Yeah. Might be another brand. I'm not sure. But we did do a brand versus with this one. And this one was flawless when it went against the Roundup. You know, the Roundup, the blue one with the white bottle. So that one was awesome. But now we are in another brand versus. I just want to see what basically a low name brand versus a high end brand, because this is one of the most popular brands in the big box stores, you guys. It just is. Okay, so yeah, that's it. As usual, if you haven't seen the directions, if I still have the directions, I will post them up for y'all, just so y'all can know what temperature is. Usually the temperature has to be 60 degrees and higher, then that's the best results, and all that good stuff. Let's go ahead, head to the field, do our couple of hours review or day review, and then come back the next day and finalize. So we are 3 hours later, or at least 4 hours later. I sprayed this at 4 o'clock, and it is 7 something right now. It's definitely taking effect, especially with the Spectracide. And over here with the Earth Alley, you can see the effect that it took over here. Definitely turned brown. I will come back in the morning just to see how much effect that this took. Alright, you guys, we are here, and we have on our right is the Spectracide, which never disappoints. Okay, the Spectracide definitely took a turn. I did spray it, and it took a little bit longer than usual, maybe because the amount of grass that was overtaken in this area, so it didn't really get to the root like that as fast. But it actually did a little tiny bit better than this side. I actually double sprayed both of them, you guys. And over the left side is the Earth Alleys. Now, as you can see, the Earth Alleys does work, and if you look right here, this spot I sprayed definitely a good amount. And yeah, so I think as far as the verses go, I think the Spectracide still coming into the head of the race. Next year I will definitely test this out a little bit earlier than usual. Maybe around spring when the weeds start coming back. I'll test it out. And yeah, so it won't be tested out on this spot no more, because this spot I'm actually going to excavate all this stuff. I'm going to dig it up. I'm putting a concrete pad here. It's going to be nice. So That way when I put my trash cans and stuff over here, it could be uniform. Put the trash cans here, I could put my bikes over here, and yeah, the kids' bikes. Put another rain barrel right there, have my generator right here, and yeah, so that's all blah 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 on this review, right? I'm reviewing this stuff anyway, so yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. What's y'all favorite weed and grass killer? Y'all let me know that in the comments. I really want to know so I can test it out. I don't have too much spots to test out. I am doing one more test with Sunday weed and grass killer, but y'all let me know. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review or brand versus.